Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's been 2.5 years since we purchased the ECOVACS DEEBOT N8 and today we're doing a long-term review of the product. Is it still cleaning up or has it started to show its age? Let's break it down. When we first got the N8 we were impressed with some of its features. Strong suction, smart mapping and mopping feature felt like a bonus as well as the price. It handled dust and crumbs like a champ. At the time, it was a solid mid-range option with features borrowed from more expensive models. We initially wanted a UFI, but the prices put us off and we settled for the DEEBOT. We had previously owned the UFI Boost IQ RoboVac, the 11S Slim. In comparison, the DEEBOT has a DTOF laser detection, which allows it to map the floors, and then you could schedule cleaning based on rooms, individual rooms. You don't have to clean all rooms in one go. So 2.5 years in, how is it holding up? Surprisingly well. The suction power is still decent for daily dust and debris. It gets the job done. The mapping is still accurate. It remembers our layout, avoids most obstacles and handles transitions between carpets and hard floors without issues, although it struggles with black carpets. Found a workaround though, which was to tape the drop sensors, as you can see in the video. As far as the mopping feature, we don't really use the mopping feature. We just use it just to vacuum, basically, and that's it. As far as maintenance goes, the app is quite useful in reminding you to clean things, to clean the filters. The dustbin is still intact. The wheels are fine. Sensors haven't failed. Yeah, it's actually a nice device. I mean, prior to getting it, really never heard of the brand. It's always been UFI for us. But yeah, it was quite good. I think it's a good decision, really. Yeah, I don't have too many gripes. I like the product. I mean, a few things could be improved. One is the black carpet issue, but other than that, I mean, we don't use it for mopping, so I wouldn't know if there were any problems there. But if you're on the fence regarding vacuum cleaners, robot vacuum cleaners, yeah, I would say go for it. I mean, as you can see, we still got the other one as well. We use the other one, but the issue with the particular UFI that we have is I would say it's one of those dumb vacuum cleaners where it's random. There's no order to its cleaning, but it works, and you know, I like it. It's a lot cheaper than the DEEBOT, but I mean the UFIs with LiDAR are more expensive than the DEEBOT, so we had to settle for the DEEBOT because of price. Yeah, no regrets really. So is it still worth it in 2025? Yeah, I would say so. I mean, I like the devices. You could schedule them, which we don't do. We just tend to start it whenever we feel like, or whenever the house needs cleaning. But yeah, it's a good product. I would recommend it. Yeah, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video as well for more upcoming reviews on gadgets. We're out.